Born Cottage, the beautiful two-story tiny house you are watching on the screen. In this video, I'll share the complete floor plan with all sizes and details. So keep watching the video. So as I said, this is the floor plan of this house. The total area I have taken is 6 meter into 3 meter in feet, 20 feet into 10 feet. On the ground floor, we have a front side, a sliding door here, and after that we'll go inside. In the center area we have a kitchen cum living area. The size is 12 feet 8 inches into 9 feet 4 inches in meter, 3.86 into 2.84 meter. You can see here the sofa arrangement and tea table arrangement. In the front wall we have a TV unit. Here you can see burner and the sink area and refrigerator arrangement. On the right side we have a common use washroom plus water closet here. The size of the washroom is 3 feet 6 inches into 9 feet 4 inches in meter, 1.06 into 2.84 meter. You can see here the water closet and the shower area both are separate. You can see here the wash basin and a ventilator for the ventilation of this washroom. On the left side we have stairs. The size of the stairs is 2 feet 6 inches wide, 0.76 meter wide. After that we will go on the first floor. We have a work studio. On the first floor the size of the work studio is 4 feet 4 inches into 9 feet 4 inches in meter, 1.32 into 2.84 meter. You can see here the chair and the desktop arrangement and also a window for ventilation and light purpose. After that we'll go inside. We have a room. The size of the room is 8 feet into 9 feet 4 inches in meter, 2.43 into 2.84 meter. You can see here the bed arrangement and also windows for ventilation and light purpose. With this room we have a attached washroom plus water closet here. The size of the washroom is 3 feet 6 inches into 9 feet 4 inches in meter, 1.06 into 2.84 meter. You can see here the water closet and the shower area both are separate and ventilator for ventilation of this washroom. You can see here a wash basin also. So this is the floor plan of this house you are watching on the screen. A two-story beautiful tiny house. If you like the video, keep watching the video and stay tuned with my channel. Thanks.